Hello everyone, this is Chris on Learn British English Free on YouTube and also Facebook, of course. I'm back with a beard, as you can see. This one is about some special vocabulary. It's important in the UK right now and it has a political context. You might know what I'm talking about. The first word is prorogue. Prorogue. It's a verb with a special meaning. As in, when the British Parliament, the politicians are closed for a short time, or they stop working. Example, Boris has only gone and done it. He's prorogued Parliament. One useful way to improve your vocabulary more easily is to learn word families, words which are connected to each other. I just talked about prorogue, which is a verb. Now the noun associated with it, which is prorogation. Prorogation. Example, the prorogation of the UK Parliament has caused a lot of protests and arguments. Prorogue, prorogation. Do you know about these words? What do you think about the lesson and these words? Are they important and useful? Please do write some comments. I look forward to them. This is a short one. Obviously, this topic is very important in the UK right now. That's why I wanted to tell you about it. And I will be back soon with more lessons on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere else. So thank you for watching. My name is Chris. See you next time.